Most Pulte homes offer a flex room, a spare room you can use however you want, and it can evolve over time based on changing needs and growing families. Here are some ways to get the most out of your flex room.
Identify how you want this room to function. Will this be a multi-purpose space for you and the kids? Will it be a more formal office? Do you have something else in mind? Maybe a playroom, guest room, or music room? Once you've had a chance to live in your home for a while and know how you'll be using the room, think about your storage. If the space is intended for play, consider storage with solid doors so clutter can be hidden. If you want to create an office retreat, use open storage to display accessories and photos.
If you want more ideas for your flex room or any other room, talk to one of the trained experts in our design centers.